Jonathan Hanford from Fine and Country. Just under 2 miles from Leamington Spa town centre is the vibrant village of Radford Semele. It has a local shop, a post office, hairdressers, gastropub, church and even a community centre. Tucked away at the end of the village is the cul-de-sac Williams Road. And at the end of that cul-de-sac is number 1A Williams Road, a 3,000 square foot detached family home. A Williams Road is a large 3,000 square foot family home. The current owners purchased the property from Fine and Country back in 2013, and in that time they have lovingly restored parts of the property and also changed the layout. From the front, you would be forgiven for thinking it looks like a bungalow, but it is deceptive. The accommodation is actually split over 4 staggered stories. There is a large open plan living space looking out onto the front, side and rear gardens. There are 3 reception rooms, including a large L-shaped family room that flows into a breakfast kitchen and also a living room area. On the upper floors, there are 5 bedrooms, a family bathroom and ensuite to the master bedroom. To the front of the property, there is a driveway leading to a tandem garage that can park 2 cars toe to tail. Outside, the mature gardens are a good size at just under 1/4 of an acre. At the rear of the property are open fields that are farmed with crops providing stunning views and a private outlook. Its southwest aspect ensures that it captures the sun right the way through to sunset. The property is offered for sale with no chain. If you would like a viewing, you can contact the Leamington Spa office on 01926 455 950 or you can email us at leamington@fineandcountry.com. Thanks for watching, have a great day.